Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn a Rumble video into a blog post using Blogify. This is a quick and efficient process, and everything can be done in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch the entire video and remember to click the link in the description to try Blogify for free. Start by opening the link in the video description to visit Blogify's website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button and click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Fill out your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Alternatively, you can use the Sign Up with Google option for a quicker registration process. Once you've submitted your details, check your email inbox for a verification email from Blogify. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, return to Blogify's website and log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged into Blogify, the next step is to choose the Rumble video you want to include in your blog post. Open Rumble in a new browser tab and search for the video you want to use. Once you've found the right video, play a portion of it to confirm it's the correct one. Ensure you're using your own Rumble video or have obtained permission to use it. When you're ready, copy the video's URL from the browser's address bar. Return to Blogify. On your dashboard, find the option to create a new blog post and click on it. This will take you to the blog post editor. Look for the field labeled Video URL or something similar. Paste the Rumble video link you copied earlier into this field. Then, click the button to generate or embed the content. Blogify will process the video and create a draft blog post with the embedded video and a summary or description of the video content. Review the generated draft carefully. Ensure the video is correctly embedded and that the accompanying text meets your expectations. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, save your changes. To publish the post, Blogify provides multiple export options. You can download the content as a text file, copy it to your clipboard, or publish it directly to your blog platform if Blogify supports integration with your website. Follow the instructions provided by Blogify to complete the publishing process. That's it. You've successfully turned a Rumble video into a blog post using Blogify. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Blogify for free and see how it can simplify your blogging process.